Leaks regarding the Samsung Galaxy S25 continue to appear and are unlikely to cease until the formal announcement in January, which is expected. Two recently leaked photos provide an insight into the probable design of the Ultra model. It has previously been claimed that the Galaxy S25 Ultra would have a more rounded design next year, making it more pleasant to handle, but according to a new post by well-known typehater S25, the back camera design is expected to stay substantially identical. The picture supposedly shows a Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra cover with 6 cookouts that correspond to the existing model's configuration. For reference, the Galaxy S24 Ultra has a 200MP wide, 10MP telephoto, 50MP periscope, and 12MP ultra-wide camera setup with up to 5x optical zoom. These include 4 for the cameras, as well as a flashlight and a laser distance meter for focusing. While there have been reports of possible enhancements to certain of these cameras for the Galaxy S25 Ultra, this leak indicates that the general architecture will stay same. S25 has further information to give, including a drawing that compares the corner and bezel of the current Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus to what we may anticipate from the Galaxy S25 Ultra. This side-by-side image illustrates the design changes between the two models. Rumors imply that Samsung would significantly shrink the bezels on next year's smartphones, and this leaked picture backs up that assertion. It also displays the rounded design of the corners that we described before as a point of reference. Previous rumored renderings of the Galaxy S25 Ultra reveal little modifications to the device's rear. However, the general style and shape seem to be more in line with the other models in the series, and as is frequently the case, there is more information available regarding the Ultra model than the Basic and Plus variants. According to reports, the Ultra screen size would grow slightly to 6.86-inch, up from 6.8-inch. The Galaxy S24 series was announced on January 17, 2024, therefore the Galaxy S25 series is expected to be announced in the week of January 13, 2025. This would be just after CES, which concludes on January 10th. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.